everyone from Angeles City. It's a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. It's raining. Yes, it's a beautiful day. The humidity is down. No sun. To me, it's just a beautiful day. Just gonna take a stroll, morning walk, show you what's going on. Fresh fish. Hello, good morning. See what's going on, if there's anything new. You know, walk by here and you just smell the bakery and it smells so good. Purple ubi. That's ubi, right? Ubi. What's the green? Pandan. What's the red? What's the flavor? Strawberry. All right. You guys bake it here? You guys bake it here every day? You bake it fresh every day? All right. Good deal. All right. Thank you. Make it fresh every day. I don't know what time these stands are open and what time they close, but then again, you got another bakery here also. Like two baker joints in a row. Hello, good morning, Kuya. How are you? All right. Oh, I'm good. Hindi po. You got the coconut guy. This guy's always busy here. People always here getting themselves some delicious coconuts. Always a line there. Hello, good morning. Narciso Street, right here, Narciso. Barbershop. Hey, good morning. How many years you been here, Koya? How many years here? No, how long has this barbershop been here? Almost 40 years. So you were here even before Pinatubo exploded?
No, I'm just only 10 years here.
10 years, but this has been here 40 years. So Pinatubo and after Pinatubo, it's a long time. You work here the whole time?
I work here 3 years.
Yeah, all right, thank you. So there it is. That's a long time. Peso rate is going down. Good morning. Peso rate's going down. Been watching it drop. Hello, good morning. Huh? Oh, thank you. Peso rate is 54. 54 is going down. It needs to go up. All right. See, it's raining, but people are still out and about. Rain does not stop people here in the Philippines. It's funny because I see people with coats on, and they're a little on the cool, cold side. But me, this is just beautiful weather. I'll take this weather all day long. I love it.
Hey, Rod.
Hey, how are you? You gotta watch, you get stinkhead in the rain. No gutters, it just kind of drains out into the open. You gotta watch out for people with umbrellas that they don't poke your eye out. They'll poke your eye out walking by. Umbrella etiquette. We need some umbrella etiquette. For the most part, people, they'll move an umbrella out of your face. open. They're still serving meals. They have yet to move. Start training, you see all the vendors break out the umbrellas and sell umbrellas. Morning. It's 54 pesos on the US dollar. Seems to be the going rate. Let's see, who's hiring? Insomnia is hiring. This is how much you get paid. A dancer, 300 to 500 a day. A spotlight dancer, 500 to 800 a day. A mama son with 10 dances or more. You gotta love the requirement, right? The requirement. Pretty. Gotta be pretty. That's part of the requirement. I've seen different places where you go where the requirement is, of course, pleasant personality, but age restrictions. They'll have age restrictions sometimes. That would never fly back in the States. Age restriction. All right. Now that we've rolled past there, security guy for Ace. Morning, Koya. Are you the security guy?
No.
Are you the bouncer?
Doorman.
Doorman?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Doorman.
Yeah.
All right, Koya. Doorman. He's always there. Getting down. Getting down. Getting down. Abby's still empty. No customers. It's very slow here, huh? Do you get customers at night? Nighttime customers? Huh? No customers at night? I'd love to promote your place. Get people in here. Spending money, right? That's what it's about. All right. Thank you. Sky Tracks here, right? They're doing some major renovation. It almost looks like the whole building is coming down. Now, whether or not it's still Sky Tracks, I don't know. Got to get away from there. He's swinging his sledgehammer with, aiming it towards the play or the orange tarpaulin that's up there. If he didn't have that up, he'd be flying out on the street. I don't know what's going on there. All I know is they got some major renovation. I mean, the whole building's coming down. You can see the whole building. All new renovation, huh? Who's still Skytrax? It's still. You're saying it's still Skytrax?
Yeah.
Yeah. They still. They're building a new building. He don't know. You don't know, right? You're just working, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Boy, check it out. That was the old Sky Tracks there. We'll see what happens there, huh? Uh-oh. A lot of renovation. That whole building's coming down. I haven't seen Anna in a while, so I don't know what Anna's up to. I haven't seen her for a couple days now. Maybe she's hanging out in her car. Boy, it's empty. Envy's empty. Philly seems to be empty. It is rainy season, so and it is off season, so that's to be expected. Take a slow walk down the famous street here. Boy, I got some heartburn. Azua Life-Changing Veteran Benefits. That's a new sign up there. If you're a vet here in the Philippines, check out Life-Changing Veteran Benefits. Go see Tom up there. If you have any questions, concerns, anything, that's the man to see up there. Said, sir, and you see the camera. It is riffraff. Look at this riffraff over here on the right hand side. Got some riffraff. Riffraff. There's some riffraff.
Riffraff!
The riffraff.
Riffraff at the food shack.
There's a riffraff.
All right, sit down.
No, I'm walking, buddy.
Okay, all right.
Sit down.
No. I'll be back.
All right.
This way. Come on in. Oh no. Where'd he go? He must have darted into the club.
Hi, sir.
Good morning. Just seen Junior. He darted into one of the clubs. down, boys. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, boys. Still working on that. I think that's Genesis. Or no, Genesis is there. I don't know what that is. Good morning. Oh, hi, Korean guys. Gold bar. You look in there. The door's open. They're just sitting on the stage. Sitting on the stage. Oh, it's quiet. They say they got 100 of them that way. That's it. Another fun-filled walk, right? This is what people seem to want. They want to see this area. They don't care about anywhere else in the city. They don't care to educate themselves on other things in the Philippines that I vlog. But hey, they love seeing this. Whatever. When you live here, you live here. It's just another street. To me, it's just another street. I guess it's like living in Vegas, right? If you're a gambler, it's a great place. If you're not a gambler, it's just another place to live. Hello, Korean guy. Travis Scott. That's it. That's the end of the walk. So, buddy, that's my walk, and I'm sticking to it. The end. Point A to point B. I don't know. How long does that take? About 18 minutes, something like that. That's all it takes. So that's at a leisure. 19 minutes. Not just like at a leisure walk. Walking fast or anything. Leisure walk. So anyways, that's it. That's my walk. And stay tuned, because at the end of the month, we have a trip planned. And we're excited for it. So hang in there. And like I said, once again, thank you for everybody that does watch my videos, takes the time, wants to educate themselves and see more of Angeles City than just a walking street, Fields Avenue. Yeah, there is more to this city. Open your eyes, open your brains, and you'll discover that there is more to this city. So, all right, we'll talk to you later.